Hi guys, welcome to APG.STUDIO channel and another holiday yoga from my holiday. Right now, if you're watching first time, please click subscribe button and click notification bell, never miss any content from my channel. And let's do some yoga right now. Okay, let's sit with your legs front of your feet with your hips apart. Bend your knees and flex your feet. Sitting nice and upright. Inhale. As you exhale, try to lean forward. Holding your spine really long. Inhale. Slowly exhale. So you're trying to bring your belly and your rib cage towards your legs, not your head to your knees. Holding your chest and your head really high. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Feel the stretch. Back of your legs, your glutes and your hamstrings. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Doesn't matter if it's teeny tiny movement, just like this, better done. Going really low, round back, with shoulders pulling down, with your chin close to your chest. You're trying to open your chest. Okay, you try to squeeze your shoulder blades. Inhale and exhale. And now your left hand on your right leg, still both knees bent, or if you find you're comfortable, stretch your right leg. And now right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. If you can reach to your foot, hold your hand closer to your knee. Okay, it's all about straight spine, chest up. Now hold and try. Inhale, right hand to the floor, right leg up. As you exhale, slow down. So you're working for flexible leg, but also in this moment, as you slow down, is good for your core. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. A few more. Ready for more. Instead, keeping hand on the floor to support balance. You can bring your right arm behind. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And relax. Okay. Now right hand on your left leg and left arm. Inhale. Slowly exhale. You've got more flexible legs, especially your hamstring. Try with your left leg. Maybe slightly bent, maybe completely fully stretched. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Hold and now inhale. Slowly exhale. Try to slow down this movement. You can try with your left arm behind your back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Last one. And relax. Now sitting upright, trying to stretch just one leg at a time without changing alignment in your hips and your spine. And now Left leg bend, cross your right to your left, so you can place your left over your right, and going to twist your left side. Inhale, slowly exhale, right leg, flex your foot, could be hand or forearm to hold this twist. If you're ready for deeper stretch, your left hip, you can try to bend your right leg as long as your left hip is on the floor. Could be your right leg bend, otherwise keep it straight. You can choose the previous option. Nice and upright, check your abdominal muscles, use them right now. Inhale, slowly exhale, relax. So now I'm going to cross your left leg. So you can place your right over your left, and be aware how is your left side. Avoid leaning on your arm. Okay, you can touch the floor, but you're keeping your position by using core muscles instead resting and leaning on your left arm. Okay, so if you're fine, better to hold on your back or even cross behind. Left leg straight, flex your foot, or try if you bend knee. So get your foot close to your right hip. But if you can't sit, better to hold your left leg straight. Takes time, and just work with your limitations, respect them and work with them. Deep breath in and slowly out. This is a great stretch to work with your lower body, especially hip area, your glutes, as well as your lower back. Inhale, slowly exhale, relax. How was it? Good? Okay, now going to lay down your back, cross legs, and try to stretch legs, glutes and lower back by lifting your legs. Think about bringing your legs close to your chest, knees towards your chest. Inhale, slowly exhale. Great stretch for your lower back, and also if you're really aware and you're activating your abdominal muscles, it's a great exercise for stronger core in your belly area. Inhale, slowly exhale. Maybe some of you got enough flexibility back of your legs to bring legs over your head. If not, the previous movement is a good preparation. Okay, it's not gonna happen in one day. Takes time, but trust me, you're gonna be there one day. If you're with me for now, bring your hands on your back, move your shoulders down. Okay, so you get more stability. Make sure you don't have any issue with your neck area, otherwise just keep this stretching. You can just go if you cross legs and rock side to side, but if you're fine, try one leg at a time or both legs together. Inhale, lifting one or both legs, slowly exhale down. Legs could be bent. If you've got enough flexibility in your hamstrings, they're gonna be straight. But don't worry, if you need to bend your knees, just do it. Nothing wrong. Remember, there's no perfect pose. It's just a pose for now. Okay, you can try. Hold your position. One or both legs. Good breaths. Excellent. Squeeze your glutes. Try to pull your legs up. Imagine someone is pulling your legs up to the ceiling or up to the sky. That's me right now. If you got more strength, flexibility, bend your one leg, but hold right knee together with your left, so you're not moving towards to your You can try for your left leg or try both together. Lift, move over, slowly relax your shoulders and very slowly control and roll your spine down the floor. Cross legs and rock side to side. Perfect. How was it? Good? For beginners, remember, you're running on your side. If you got more strength and it's not hurting your lower back, you can try this way. First, support with your hands behind, so pulling up. As you get stronger, you can do it without arms. Okay, so thank you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy another holiday yoga with me. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and check your subscription button and also notification bell. Never miss any content from my channel. So thank you for now. See you next time. Bye guys.